Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. It's so much fun to send and so much fun to receive happy mail. Who doesn't like getting packages and mail? You know, fun stuff, the good stuff, not bills. That's not what I'm talking about. In this video, we're going to decorate some happy mail. I think this is such a fun idea. I've got a box of cards and a bag full of extra planner goodies that I want to send out just to brighten someone's day. If you would like to receive just a little something or a little happy note in the mail from me, please send your address by any way you can find me, or send me some happy mail. If you'd like to give or receive some happy mail, all the details are in the description box. Okay, let's make some happy mail. So you need some stickers, some note cards, and some kind of pens to write with. That's it. I picked up this box of note cards from Michael's Recollections. They have a whole bunch of different designs. I have set up this sticker book with like all my extra stickers. So they're kind of all stuffed in here. So some of the smaller sticker packs like these, as well as the ones that punch in, and then some of the like extra sheets that came with box kits. All of that is in this one book with one of these bands around it so that everything's all together in one place. So if you have some extra stickers like these that you don't usually use in your normal spreads, this is perfect to use for your happy mail. Specifically, this is one of the Mambi Sticks books. So if you have any of those, or if you haven't seen them in stores, you can find them in the big sticker aisle. They're like the scrapbooking stickers. But this book has such cute quotes in it. Let's grab a couple. Oh, look how cute. Let's grab these, some of these. So just decorate your happy mail with stickers. Find some cute quotes or whatever kind of vibe you're going for and decorate your card. What do you think about happy mail? Is this a fun craft that you'll enjoy doing? Leave a comment down below, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe for more planner videos. Hit that thumbs up button. Click the link in the description box to get your free power plan checklist, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!